I like this, y'all. I like this. What we thinking? What we thinking? Listen, y'all can already tell. You can already tell, okay? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by WowAfrican. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. Now, before we get into this mainly glueless install, y'all, I want to show y'all this hairline. Do you see? Come, look. Do y'all see that? Yeah. Stay tuned. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from WowAfrican. All the specs of my unit right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is my first time trying their Kinky edges wig. It's a little different than the ones I've already tried before. You can see the edges on this one are definitely a bit more kinkier, and they're also a lot closer to the hairline. What I have noticed with these edges on these wigs is that if you don't pluck it or ventilate it just right with the kinky edges, it'll be too gappy or too far from the natural hairline to make it look natural. I can tell that it's kind of flowing back into the hairline and not necessarily in front of the hairline and then a hairline. Like, it makes sense. Okay, so we're gonna see how this looks once I put her on my head. Let me put on a wig cap. I'm gonna try to use the one they sent me because I can't find any more brown ones. I need to order some from Amazon. I got a lot of beige wig caps, but they don't fit my head right. Stretchy stretch. I got a big head. I guess that'll work for now. I'm gonna take off the adjustable straps in the back just so I can make sure she gonna fit, and then I will go back and adjust if I need to. All right, ooh, she twisted up. It does look a little crazy like that. We're gonna fix it together because I know some of y'all already like, girl, no. If I was to glue this down or like gel it around my hairline, I wouldn't necessarily like how that looks. I want mine to go back into the hairline. The hair texture is really nice, okay? Nothing crazy, nothing fancy. And this is how we looking on the sides. She's giving me pretty much a perfect fit. I probably have to cut off a little bit on my sideburns. And I don't want the 𝐁𝐥𝐻, so. Let's go ahead and get this styled up. This shouldn't take too long because, like I said, the unit already comes pretty much sleeked out. I'm just gonna blow dry it a little bit to get it a little bit more sleeker and then do a little styling for y'all. Where's my clip? Girl, it's in your face. Oof. Do I need to up my prescription? Child. When it comes to the ear tabs, cut off what you can see. So I can see that lace right there, cut that off. Find my ear. This much can go. Get this separated and then go ahead and cut. Put your ear in there. There we go. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Before I go on with my mousse, I'm gonna straighten these hairs out just a little bit. So I'm gonna use my blow dryer and my brush, okay, my bristle brush to straighten this out a little bit. I'm gonna use it on high heat and I'm gonna move real fast, okay? So let's go ahead and do that. Y'all see how it did that? Yeah, okay, so compare this side, okay, to this side. Y'all see how natural that looks? Use what you got to get what you want, okay? Looking pretty good. And you can definitely feel the texture in these edges. It's a little bit coarser around the hairline, but I like that. Again, it gives it a more natural look. It's not like a blowout texture like this is. This is how it grows out of my scalp. This is after I press it out. Bars. I do feel like I could pull a little bit, just a little bit right here. Y'all see I'm not really pulling out a lot. Again, I'm just pulling out some, and it's really short hair, so it'll come out pretty easy. This looks pretty good, if I must say so myself, and I do. 3 sections as usual. I don't think I'll have to tint this lace because it's looking pretty good on my skin so far. I wanna make sure I follow the hairline. Now, if you don't know how to use a razor or you're not comfortable with using a razor to take off your lace, use your scissors, okay? Just make sure you go on that jagged motion to make sure your lace is gonna blend down as best as possible. When you go straight across, in my opinion, it doesn't give you a flush look to your skin unless the lace is transparent or HD or something like that. If you have regular old lace and you do straight across, you're gonna have a tough time trying to blend that in. Using a razor helps that without having to go, you know, do the actual movements. My glasses are dirty. I need to wipe these off. Woo, they are they rough. And bring it down a little bit further. Where's my mole? My mole gets me, make sure I'm in the right position. I got too much lace right here. So let me cut this part. Let me go drink. All this work, I'm worn out. I'm just joking. This is pretty easy for me, y'all, now that I know how to do it. 2 pumps on each side. My Nairobi mousse. Y'all be asking, I'm showing, okay? Nairobi mousse. Because the edges are already kinky, I don't want to swirl it too much. I don't want to get it back to where it was. Pat it all in. Now I'm just going to smooth it back, y'all. Smooth it back. So back, down, back, down, back, down. There you go. All right, let me take my band here. It's a little crooked. Here we go. Take my band, put it on, strap it to the back. Okay, so now we're gonna bring out Big Betty. Okay, we're gonna use Betty to sleek out this hair just a little bit. I wanna keep most of the texture. I may even trim some of my ends, but we'll see once we get there. And we're gonna do that on high heat, okay? Okay, so let's go ahead and take this strap off. See what we're looking like over the lace. Let me take the hair down because I think this is looking pretty good. I could actually move my hairline up some. It's resting right where my hairline is, but it's giving me a little square. So let me just move it up. There we go. Move it up a little bit. Play around with the hairline a little bit. Get it how you like it. I just want to break it up a little bit. Now, as you can see, this looks a lot different than what my non-kinky edges wig looks like. So the one that I did in the last video and the one that I did last week, they didn't have kinky edges. They just came with a natural looking hairline. This has kinky edges, so you can see the difference in the hairline. They're not as sleek or straight. They're given more curly. I got stuck in the rain. My silk press is going to ish, okay, and this is how my hairline is looking. And I'm not mad at how this looks. This looks really good. It looks really natural. I have no complaints about this whatsoever. Now, I know some of you guys are gonna ask me my opinion on this one compared to the other kinky curly hairlines that I've done on my channel. Those ones that I've already tried on my channel were just starting. That's when they first dropped. Everybody was trying to do it, trying to figure out what worked, what didn't work. They're getting better, and this shows me that they're getting better. Now, I didn't try theirs when they first dropped it, but I feel like they took some notes and they realized what we like and what we don't like and kind of implemented that on their hairline, and it worked out perfectly. Now, I could go in and pull a little bit more hair out because my hairline does look extra full, okay, a lot fuller than I'm used to, but I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it how it is. The hair density is not, like, it's not super full, so if the other wigs that I've showed you recently was too full for you, this may be more your speed. Brush my hairs back because I don't want to create a line on the lace. When you have that line on your lace, it looks fake. So I don't want that. So I need to pull out some of that hair so I don't have that line like that. There we go. Pull out some of that hair on that line. There you go. There you go. I'm gonna use a little bit of my grease. Get rid of some of these flyaways. Works like a charm. Okay, y'all, so this is what we are finished with. I think it looks really good. Again, if you want a more natural, fuller hairline, this one may be the one for you. I do feel like the hairline could be a little less square, but you can fix that yourself depending on how you cut your lace off and how you kind of fix your hairline around your forehead. So it's not exactly how I want it, but I feel like it looks pretty good. I keep messing it up. Let me just stop messing with it. Okay. Let me just leave it alone, okay? You want to do a defined part, you can definitely do one. You can see my wig cap. It's a different color, but we're not going to worry about that today. I didn't put no powder in my parting space or on my lace. The hairline, the edges, the hair texture, it just looks, it came on together. Now, before I get out of here, I had to show you guys a little up style because, you know, I can't go without it. Let me clip it up like this. You see right here, my hairline is looking pretty good, but I want to make sure this doesn't move. So I'm just going to spray it down right here in the front. Okay, just across the front like that. Not on my sides, just the front. Then I'm just going to move it forward and place it on my head. All right, press that in. When you spray it down, it gives it more of a realistic look around the hairline. You can see that? the hair kind of stays in place how you want it. Comb it back. Just make sure she good. I thought I had another bow, but I don't. So I'm gonna use, so let me just go ahead and use my daughter's hair tie again. I wanna make sure it's super tight. So I'm gonna wrap it a couple times. Move it to the back. I have to go this way. Okay, move that down. There we go. This looks, this looks good, y'all. No shedding, no tangling with this unit. The sleekness is really nice. If you don't like big hair, but you like texture, this one could be the one for you because it sleeks out really well. I put the grease on my wig, added some shine, took down the flyaways. And if you are not a fan of long baby hairs, you want a more natural type of gradual look, this is definitely gonna be the one for you. Y'all, this looks phenomenal. This looks so good. My right side is always my strong side, okay? So I feel like it looks a little bit better over there. I like this, y'all. I like this. What are we thinking? What we thinking? Yay, nay? I know what Daddy Papa thinking. He is sick of us. One more. Body wave, straight, sleek, water wave, all that. I don't care. Okay, give me texture. Oh yeah. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to WowAfrican for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.